you need help practicing the NG sound, check out my video before you get started with this practice. I want you to know that the NG sound or ng sound is not common in the English language in the first part of the word. We'll begin our practice with the middle or medial sound in sentences. I want you to repeat after me. Watch out for the stinger. The gold bangle is shiny. He is a good singer. The penguin lives in the Arctic. There are 2 pink flamingos. The king of the jungle. They replaced the pistons in the engine. Many animals live in the jungle. Point with your finger. That kangaroo is fast. Now let's practice with the NG or ng sound in the last part of one of the words in our sentence. Repeat after me. I have a plastic boomerang. Put your clothes in the washing machine. Don't fall into the wishing well. He brought an extra fishing pole. I love surfing big waves. The man is laughing. The cat is always scratching. He is always belching. I work out with a punching bag. We saw fish when we went diving. You are doing great. Keep practicing. I know you can do this. I'll see you soon. Bye.